Alright, so nagbabalik tayo, and for today's video, I want to do a store review, violin store review of an instrument store, So, gagawin natin ito review because I had the chance, last week to test out their instruments, and also understand the process, sourcing and all of those things behind the store. Kaya I want to give them review. Okay, again, this is not sponsored in any way. Actually, they reached out to me, and I want to be 100% honest and transparent with how I would review this. So, walang sponsorship pa. Wala pang collab talaga. It's just that they reached out and nagkataon lang na sumakto, kumbaga, yung mga things aligned. Okay, so what I'm gonna review is Steinhold String Supply Company. Okay, so last week, I think July 25, they went here sa Daddy G Cafe and opened up a pop-up, sort of a way for them to showcase their instruments, nagpa-playtest sila of their instruments na available from their cheapest to their most expensive. So I was able to try it out. So paano nangyari yon, is that Kenny reached out to me, the owner of Steinhold Strings. He reached out to me and nagtanong siya sa akin kung kailan daw ako available to have his item showcase, sumakto na I had this event planned out, sa Daddy G Cafe for friends and family lang naman, and some of my students as well. So I think it really aligned well. Tapos yun na nga, nagkaroon ng opportunity for a lot of my students, a lot of my colleagues to test out the instruments na meron sila. And he asked me if I could do a sound test, And ayun nga, abangan nyo, in the coming days this week, I will be uploading one instrument from their catalog every day para ma-check nyo. It's not a full review because I didn't have a chance to play on all their instruments ng matagalan. It was just on that day nakapag-testing ako, and I would maybe share in the following review kung alin doon yung parang para sa akin would be the best option, pag narinig nyo na lahat. So I'll be posting it. Ayan, papakita ko lang din sa inyo that I played on, I think, 7 of their 8 available models. Kasi nung magpe-playtest na kami, fortunately, ewan ko kung okay lang din naman na sabihin, but nabili na yung isang instrument bago ko na check out or na test out lahat. Or bago na record actually, pero na-test ko naman siya lahat. And nabili na nga yung isa na dala nila, So on the spot, they made the sale. And I'm happy kasi at least, nakapag-collab kami and we were able to bring their instruments to the people. Okay, so simulan natin. So at first I was really skeptical, if I'm just being honest, diba? Kasi most of the time, nakapag-playtest na din ako ng iba pang instruments from other sellers ng mga violins, and most of the time kapag hindi musician yung nagbebenta or hindi professional musician or wala masyadong idea about music, is parang they just put their brand inside a generic instrument. Ganun yung na-experience ko before. Now, sa Steinhold kasi, hindi lang basta brand yung nilalagay nila. So, they really take care of the instrument, na pag dumating sa kanila, hindi nila agad binibenta. And that is something na I really appreciate about their process of sourcing and, making sure na kapag dumating sa clients nila or sa buyers nila yung mga instruments, you can really play on them. Wala ka nang iintindihin, tutugtugan mo na lang, literal, Not like an other stores, na parang uncut pa yung bridge or pre-cut pero hindi naman sukat na sukat, so kailangan mo pa magpa-set up, yung pegs laging naglo-loosen up. So sa kanila, kahit medyo cheap yung instrument, at a lower price point, talagang ready to play. So that is one of the upsides of buying from them. And then he was open about where he sources instruments. Sinasabi niya kung saan ang origin or location, kung sino yung gumagawa. So he's very transparent about it, which is a good thing. No, hindi niya sinasabi na no, this is inspired by ganito ganyan, or walang masyadong mabubulaklak na salita. It's just really straightforward na sinasabi niya, dito namin kinuha and this is what you would expect. No, so hindi ka magkakaroon ng parang takot na magtiwala sa kanila because they really tell you exactly where they source their items, their instruments. And dun mo ma-realize na okay, yung value for money is really good kasi alam nila kung ano yung ginagawa nila. And one of the most important factors why I am praising their team is because they really take the feedback of their clientele. No? So, saan ka makakakita ng less than 10,000 pesos? You could customize the way your instrument would come to you, 'di ba? So parang hindi yan madaling gawin, no? It's hard to do kasi kahit yung color sometimes kahit nasa mumurahing price point nakakapag-request ng type of varnish, 'di ba? Na hindi natin makikita sa karamihan, no? Kasi they have this relationship with their suppliers na talagang I think maganda naman kasi nga kaya nilang mag-request ng ganun, no? Na usually these things, yung mga colors, yung mga varnish, usually reserved to pag nagpapa-customize ka na. Let's say a minimum of 35 to 50k bago ka makapag-customize talaga. Pero sa kanila kahit sa mas mababang price range, no, they could do that kung makakapaghintay ka, no. Syempre, of course, hindi naman instant 'yan, no. So, doon pa lang parang sulit na kung hindi mo man kukunin yung instrument na available nila, they can do pre-orders na hindi din ganun kamahal yung additional, kung may additional shipping fees or additional delivery options. So if you are in the Greater Manila area and you have the time, siguro maganda rin talaga, hindi pa rin maalis na sabihin natin na best option to buy is always to buy something that you can test out for yourself, especially kung mayroon na kayong alam, marunong na tumugtog. But madali naman silang kontakin. They have a showroom, meron din silang different payment options, no, sa kanilang mga platforms. You can buy off of different platforms as well. Sana dito magkaroon sila soon, no. Pero yun nga, so when it comes to their customer service, the quality of their instruments, and even the way they treat their clientele, talagang masasabi ko na it's a good option, no? Of course, we're not taking away the other options here, but that's one good option na pwede mong makuha. They also sell bows, they also sell cases and accessories, no? Hopefully makapag-try tayo nung kanilang mga strings kasi medyo budget friendly din yung mga strings nila. But overall, I am happy to recommend their brand. Again, this is not sponsored. Wala akong ni porsyento sa sales. Wala akong nakuha. Pero dahil nga we as a community here need to have access to good quality instruments, I think they can provide a good value. No? Expect the cheapest is around 7,000 and then it goes to 6 digits. Meron din silang mga high quality na fine. I don't think it's fine instruments yet, pero that's terms that are interchangeably used. Pero overall, I'm really glad na nakapag-collaborate kami at least, no, for once, and hoping for more. Update ko kayo kung magkakaroon pa ng mga playtest na i-open namin sa public dito sa Daddy G Cafe. But ayun muna. So kung gusto nyong mag-check out ng mga instruments nila, I'll have their details linked down below. And yun lang. I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.